Good morning, happy Saturday everybody. Woke up this morning, smelled smoke. Had to come outside and make sure our property wasn't on fire, but check this out. This is not fog. That is not fog. See that? It's definitely smelling like smoke out here. Hopefully our property's not on fire somewhere, but wanted to share this with everybody. Hope you have a great weekend. It's November 12th and 13th, Saturday and Sunday, so enjoy yourselves, be safe, but very smoky and stinky. And if there's a fire somewhere, I'll bring it to you in another short.